just are there and I do the right things for people them see and who don't believe can believe.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited.
We don't hear what you know, man. Run it again, man. Everybody shine, how we need to work. You know? Myself, we don't enjoy yourself in a Rebel Salute.
Alright, so DuttyBerry here, Rebel Salute 2023, and I'm here with Scalia, the performer of the night, even though the show not done yet. Jahsii, first up, how are you doing?
We're doing very well, man. I don't know, we have life, you know, so we have to give thanks in our berries.
Alright, so you went to Excelsior. Find out that Mr. Bramfield was the principal, right?
Straight.
You can tell me, like, what was, did you start your whole creativity while at Excelsior? Were you one of them people that were constantly let us have
we start to creativity before Excelsior.
Oh!
Excelsior is a place where develop we in a different
Yeah. So, more I forgot to hear from you, like, what was the game plan like coming into Rebel Salute? Because you know it's a different vibe.
Wasn't a game plan, man. It's just a debut, man. I don't know, debut, the coach not really
cool,
tell
you know?
nothing in the game plan for make by debut. You just have to forward out and do it. You see me I say? Straight.
No, you did a performance, and I tell you, I feel like probably one of the best performance system I ever witnessed at any stage show. Like, hope when you finish this, you go home and you look on the performance and realize what you do. Because that, it set the bar for every young artist right now. And that's what you did. What is that reception like, in terms of getting people tell us, say, yo, Jahsii, we believe in you, we see as a promising youth, you feel it's only by pressure, or you feel like you're able to live up to that?
It's a pleasure, man, and it's a blessing, man, and it's a part of the journey depending on where we want to reach. That expected, you don't know anything going on. Self-praise is no recommendation. It makes sense to there, I say, we just are there and I do the right things for people them see and who don't believe can believe. You see me I say, because we don't wrong the non-believer them, just no say, them are going to turn in a true belief.
Too much crime and violence in the country of Jamaica where we grew up in that. And where we love so much. And we go other places because of music and see the world nice. But when we check it out, no one no better than Yard, more I'm telling you that. And it starts from Uno, bro. And no trigger finger, bro. Just tell Uno self, say. And no trigger finger, say. Me not go shoot down my brother them today. Tonight. Me not go shoot down my sister them tonight. I know say I love and respect and blessings in the heart for the 2023.
Now I was talking to a little birdie, and the birdie told me say you might have an EP a drop March. You can tell us more about that project with VB Records?
You know, say EP I got drop in a 2023. You see me I say? And VB Records, they pan the EP, so you know the thing go.
Okay.
It's a powerful thing, so.
You can't tell like what the sound or the vibe where you go for, where you go say like a more conscious or what?
We're not going to hear it, man. Straight.
Alright, so before me leaving the Jahsii, I'm going to play a little game because you know the stuff go. So, I think you know a reggae artist, right? So, I'm going to give you a letter, and you just give me a dancer, a reggae artist with that letter the name, right? Cool. Alright, so B. You have to give me some time, you can say. Alright, C. C. We know you're C.
Much B, man, then I think, brother, you say B, and I say Boju Bantan.
Okay, so you get that now, so we can try with C now. I'm going to say Capitan.
Capitan still,
But yeah, I know if I say D, you're not going to find out, because me that struggle with that. I know you're not find an artist.
Dennis Brown, them, man, you have to remember D Brown, them.
Alright, no, watch your style. No, watch your style, you know. Why? You not get this. Why? You not get this.
Why you ask me that?
Blessing, Jahsii, bless you, man.
I like this beat for believe. Growing up never easy for me. The other I believe for real. We have to go like blessed day. Can't fool me, you must be retarded. Fight me often, regardless me dark. Small mind can't hold up. Can't demolish a foundation, the landing. The tree can't man could skill on me. If a skill on G, them have to call me jump after the finale. Take me like bubble like them couldn't. Watch up, see up every mountain that say we can't win. Stop it talking. Nobody no perfect, yo, me Georgie. Well, leap a time, I see them. They can miss, big up in dog, them we run off every man still. No memories na the past, so you live on. Simple as it be, I'm at the stage. Me have only a dog tonight in a jailhouse. Me have only a dog when me say that, me I talk about my friend them. Cause me I get to you are just the same. And me I tell you in a real life too. Me not perfect. Me not perfect. Me not perfect. Oh, a man in time, I'ma get up, I'm looking at the mirror. I'ma say, but put JASHII aside. And you see the youth when you Maliki Clark where you perform for no. For Rebel Salute tonight. They know what I'm telling himself, say more why. Give me the subject right there, so. So mistake make me no repeat them. So the soldier get the back, never deal with it. I'ma say, Ryan, big up yourself, same way, you know you think it's a pleasure. To grace the stage, you know the thing go. Winners I respect my G every time. Big up my fans them in Jamaica for real. Everybody from outside of Jamaica and I come. We can just see you know answer from the forward from Jamaica, but we see you know answer. Well, real and true, raw about Jamaica and them there. It ain't easy. The more I keep it true, that's a secret. People need it. We have to do. Get on the street. Every get a new life. The more truck, the more I stop. On the Rastafari. None of them no better than God. You hear that? None of them.
JASHII. I the first me I meet, you know, JASHII. Let me tell you something now. In front of the thousands of people where they are so. Me know a rebel kind of tell you say do a different kind of show than what you usually do. It's what you just do a while ago. I don't want you to take it lightly, you know. You hear me I say? Because you cannot perform, you know. But you see, perform, what you do a while ago is more than performance. And I would hope that it's not because rebel tell you, say, this is what you should have done and don't do your other thing. No, me see you from your heart. I'm glad you from your heart, you know, but I don't want you leave your heart right or so. I want you to carry your heart, go back to which part you come from. You understand? Because a serious thing you just know a while ago, you know. For even come on the show, you know, you know, they never every day long, you know. It's about 15 to 20 minutes, you know. And what you do right is so bigger than most of the show, than what you do with thousands of people, millions of people there. You understand? So me, I tell you as Muta Baruch, I say, trust me, brethren. Trust me. Me, I looking at you and tell you, you know. Don't leave your heart at the show, yeah. Carry it, go with you. Back of your yard and your brethren, the way you call dog. You understand? JASHII!
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited.